Most people are using AI tools like this completely wrong, and that's exactly why they don't make any money. So before you try VidForce AI, you need to see this. I tested VidForce AI to find out if it can actually help beginners make money online. But instead of just showing you how it works, I'm going to show you what works, what doesn't, and the biggest mistake that will make this completely useless for you. Let's break this down simply. VidForce AI is an AI video creation tool that claims to generate videos, automatically add voiceovers, create content for YouTube or social media. Basically, it promises to remove all the hard work. And that's exactly why it's so appealing. But here's the problem: when something sounds too automated, there's usually a catch. Here's how most people use it. They enter a keyword, let the AI generate everything, download the video, upload it, and expect views. Sounds easy, right? Now let me show you how I actually tested it. Step 1. I picked a niche: make money online. Step 2. Generated a full video using VidForce AI. Step 3. Uploaded it without editing, and the result? Well, wait till you see this. So here's what happened. The video looked decent. Voiceover? Good. Visuals? Acceptable. Flow? Not bad. But it felt like something I've already seen before. And that's the biggest issue. AI-generated content is everywhere now, which means, if you just copy-paste what the tool gives you, you'll blend in with thousands of others doing the same thing. But here's where things change. I ran a second test. This time, I rewrote the hook, added curiosity, slightly edited the script, made it more human, and suddenly, the video felt different. More engaging, more watchable, more real, and that's when it clicked. This tool doesn't make money for you. Your positioning does. Let's talk real results. Test 1. Fully AI. No edits, low engagement, average watch time, almost no traction. Test 2. Slight human touch. Better retention, more clicks, higher engagement. Now, did I make money instantly? No, but I saw something more important: potential. And that's what most reviews won't tell you. Pros. Extremely beginner-friendly, speeds up content creation, good for idea generation, saves time. Cons. Generic output if used blindly, requires creativity to stand out, not a set and forget system. Results depend on your strategy. Let me tell you the biggest mistake people make with tools like this. They think, AI will do everything for me. That mindset will kill your results. Because platforms like YouTube reward originality, retention, engagement, not automation. So if you treat this like a shortcut, it won't work. But if you treat it like a tool, now you're playing the game properly. You should use VidForce AI if you're a beginner, you want to start a faceless channel, you struggle with creating content, but you should avoid it if you want instant passive income, you don't want to learn anything, you expect automation equals success. So, is VidForce AI worth it? Here's the honest truth. It's useful, but only if you use it smartly. It's not going to make you money by itself, but it can help you create content faster. And that's where the opportunity is. If you want to try VidForce AI, I've left the link in the description. But don't just use it blindly, use it with strategy. That's the difference between making money and wasting time.